I've got a 1984 Chevy S-10 4x4 pickup with a rough idle. Diagnosed it with faulty spark plugs and also bad cap and rotor. So we're going to replace that and also do an oil change since it was running a little bit rich. The oil does have saturation of fuel as well. So let's get to it. We'll gap these spark plugs to 45 thousandths of an inch. These are the new spark plugs. They're manufacturer specs, 45 thousandths of an inch as far as gap. And also these are copper, what the manufacturer recommends as well. And we're going to torque these to 15 foot-pounds. All right, so this 84 Chevy S-10 is done. Purring like a little kitten. Looking real good.